That shiny digital card is staring you right in the face. $750 to spend at Target just for clicking a few buttons. It sounds like a dream. It sounds like a shopping spree waiting to happen. But we all know that if something looks too good to be true, your internal alarm should be screaming. This site called TarOffers is the latest one making these big claims. They tell you that a massive payout is just a few steps away. All you have to do is complete some promotional deals. It sounds simple enough on paper. They want your email address. They want to make sure you are 18. They want you to sign up for things. Maybe you download a game. Maybe you try a new streaming service. This is how they make their money. They are essentially a middleman for advertisers. Every time you sign up for one of these partner offers, the site gets a kickback. They take a slice of that commission and supposedly set it aside to pay for your big gift card. It is a business model that relies on your time and your data. But here is where things get tricky. This is not a simple giveaway. It is a gauntlet. You have to navigate a maze of requirements. If you skip one tiny detail, you are out. If you do not finish the exact number of deals, you get nothing. The site mentions you might need to finish 4 or 5 of these promotions. Some of these deals are not free. You might have to pay for a subscription. You might have to buy a product you do not even want. Suddenly, that free money starts to look a lot more expensive. You are trading your personal information and your hard-earned cash for a chance at a reward. And that word chance is key. There are no guarantees here. One of the biggest red flags is right there in the small print. Target has absolutely nothing to do with this. This is an independent operation. They are using the brand name to get you through the door. It is a marketing tactic, pure and simple. You need to be extremely careful with where you put your details. These sites love to collect data. They want your phone number. They want your habits. They want to know what you buy. Once they have that info, it is hard to get it back. You might end up with an inbox full of spam. You might see charges on your credit card you did not expect. Always read the terms of service from top to bottom. Do not just scroll and click accept. Look for the exit strategy. How do you cancel those trials? What happens if the deal does not track correctly? Most people never make it to the end. They give up halfway through because the process is designed to be exhausting. It is a test of patience. If you decide to try it, use a secondary email. Do not give away your main life story. Protect your sensitive payment info like it is gold. This is a game of high stakes and very little transparency. You have to ask yourself if your time is worth the gamble. For most people, the answer is a hard no. Do not let the bright colors and the big numbers cloud your judgment. Stay sharp and keep your information safe. Being cautious is the only way to win in this corner of the internet.